And what does DSN say? This is his sidekick, remember. DSN says, I see division. I see division. So subtract the exponents. Subtract the exponents. So you're going to subtract the exponents when you have division. I see division, so subtract the exponents. Okay, now this rule or this property is called quotient of a property. And I mean quotient of Powell's property. And remember, quotient means to divide. So let's do that. When I see division, that's the dividing part. Now subtract. So 4 minus 3 is 1. That is x to the 1. Because the bigger exponent is at the top, we'll put your answer in the top. Some of you will want to write this, and that's okay. But remember, when you put it over 1, it's just x to the first power. Let's do the second one. When I see division, subtract the exponents. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Where do I write it? Top or bottom? Is it this one? Or is it this one? It's the second one. The bigger number exponent is at the top. So you write your answer in the top. And you don't have to write the one at the bottom.
DSN!
Alright. And you get it 2. Now, where do we put it? Top or bottom? You noticed I said 2. That means I had to say 7 minus 5. Because if I do 5 minus 7, 5 positives, 7 negatives, cancel, 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 cancel. That's negative 2. But if I say 7 minus 5, that's 7 positives, 5 negatives, that's a positive 2. So I started with the 7, and the 7 is at the bottom. So the answer would be x squared at the bottom. And you're watching this video in class, so if you have a question as to where the 1 came from, just raise your hand and I'll come and explain it to you. Okay, let's talk about the last rescue. Ooh, this looks kind of important and urgent. I failed the 6 weeks. Didn't come to tutoring to retake any of my tests. Didn't even take it. Ooh, this looks kind of important and urgent. I failed the 6 weeks. Didn't come to tutoring to retake any of my tests. Didn't even take advantage of the 2 weeks offered to recover my 6 weeks grade.
DSN!
Oh, okay. Some of you saying we need to call on P-Man. Well, we've already talked about all the letters in P-Man. So, see, we went all the way to the end. So we have to call on DSN. Okay. Now, in this problem, and this here should not be there, guys. Sorry about that. So cross that out. That should not be there. Okay. So now, when I see subtraction, this is what DSN is saying to himself. So when I see subtraction, do nothing to the exponents. And don't get mad at DSN for doing nothing. You should have went to tutoring.
Womp, womp, womp.
Okay. So nothing, we're going to put nothing here. Okay. And now we're going to do nothing to the exponent. So this will not change. And if you notice, this is x to the 4th and this is x to the 4th. So I can go ahead and say 2 minus 3, which is negative 1, x to the 4th. Let's do the next one. Oh, and you notice the exponents did not change. You notice that? Okay. Let's come here. So I have y squared here. I have y squared here. That means these can go together. So how many y squareds in all do I have? Well, 6 minus 5 is 1. So I have 1 y squared. How many a to the 3rds do we have? 15 minus 7 is 8. So we have 8 a to the 3rd for this problem. And the exponents did not change.
DSN P-Man.